G'day and welcome to another episode of Kiwi Car Life, and today we're going to be starting the modifications on my manual BMW 130i. We've got some new 135i 18-inch alloys coming for it. The Kiwi Car Life plates will be returning in Euro format, along with giving it a full clean inside and out and repairing the headliner. Let's get started. First, it was time to reinstall the Kiwi Car Life plates. Euro cars always look great with Euro plates, and the first one I drove in Auckland gave me the idea to get some for my own car. With them installed, the car was looking even better than before and was starting to feel like my car again. Then I gave it a good clean. The mats came out and I vacuumed all the carpets along with cleaning the interior trims and plastics. The freshly cleaned mats went back in with a trick I learned from a friend. If you vacuum them all one way and then brush them the other way in a series of lines, you can give it a very professional stripy look. I also sent my car away to get the headliner redone, as it was sagging in typical BMW fashion. When it came back, it was looking good as new, and that's the interior done. Next, I moved on to the outside, giving the whole exterior a solid wash. The wheel brush brought the rims back to a shine, and thanks to the previous owner giving the car a decent polish before I took delivery, the paint was beading nicely. So all it needed was a quick drive around the block to get the water out of the wheels and a quick and easy towel off. But there's one more thing my 1 Series will receive today: a set of 18-inch style 261 wheels off a 600 horsepower 135i coupe that a fan of the channel kindly sold to me. They're much wider than the stock 17s these cars come with, and it allowed me to upgrade my front tyres from 205s to 225s and the rears from 225 to 245s. With some new Pirelli tyres installed, it was time to get them on the car and try them out. And I have to say, BMWs are one of those few cars that actually look great on stock wheels from the upper model. Check it out. Putting these new wheels on has absolutely transformed this car. The handling now is absolutely face-bending. Thanks to all that extra grip at the front end, the car just feels stable, sure-footed and unbelievably planted through corners. But the great news is, because these wheels came on a very similar car to the 130, the 135, which underneath is basically the same car, they bolt straight on, look heaps better than the wheels that come from factory and give you those performance benefits I discussed before. But most importantly, it's still an absolute hoot to drive. Oh, it's really quick. Transmission feels amazing. It's so easy to drive fast, which I absolutely love. Heel toe is always there. Oh, the N52. What a power plant it is. Now, in terms of future plans for this car, it could really do with an LSD, because it is a bit of a sort of one tire fire machine. And I wouldn't mind doing something to sort of open up the exhaust a little bit, because while it does sound really good, when you start getting going at sort of motorway speeds, the exhaust does get drowned out a little bit by the road noise. So I wouldn't mind doing something to just open it up that little bit more. So an exhaust modification and limited slip diff are definitely on the cards for the future. But at the moment, man, I could not be happier with this thing. Cracking manual gearbox, silky smooth but very powerful 3-litre straight 6. Now I think it looks just absolutely timeless. It's a funny thing with BMWs, it's almost as they get older, they seem to get better and better looking. When they come out, people are like, oh, what is that? But then when they get older, people are like, oh yeah, that's a nice looking car. And rear-wheel drive. So it just handles so beautifully. It's just too bad it tends to one-wheel peel. Down the track, we've got some awesome plans for this thing, but for the meantime, I'm just going to drive it around, make some more videos, enjoy it, hopefully get it out on track soon. So I'll very much look forward to seeing you again next time.